Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you a free and easy way to potentially get shoutouts for your YouTube channel. But first, I'm going to give a shout out to Elemental Core 100. Now over on his YouTube channel, he plays Hearthstone, which for those of you who don't know is a free-to-play online card game that's made by Blizzard. Go check out his channel because if you want to know anything about this game, he's got a lot of videos on there and he goes through and explains how anyone can play this game and get good at it. So make sure to go check him out. His link is going to be in the description of this video as well. But just like that shout out, what I put together was this pay it forward YouTube shout out. Currently at the moment, this is a Google form that you fill out, and then there's also an Excel spreadsheet. Now, if you click on the link in the description below, you'll be taken to the actual form. And all you have to do, it's actually very simple. Just read through the rules, and basically all you have to do is fill out the few questions below. Now there's not that many questions there, so it'll only take you a couple minutes to fill in. So this system is based off all these channels helping each other grow. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to fill this out by doing it for Josephine's channel. All you need to do is copy a few things into the form. So once we grab the channel name, we can paste it, the channel link which we find here, the number of subscribers you currently have, the category or niche of your YouTube channel. So with Josephine's channel, she does blogs and she does how to and style. So the extra details around that category can be placed in the question below. So in this case, if for Josephine's channel, she could put in there makeup and fashion. Now, as this whole system is based off helping each other grow, the next question is, have you done a shout out for another channel? Now, to begin with, there won't be a lot of channels that have done this. There's only a small amount of channels on the list. So in this case, we're going to say no, but she will at some stage. If the answer is yes, you can put in the channel name that you've actually shouted out and a link from your video that you posted that has that shout out in it. So in this case, we're not going to fill those in yet. We hit submit, the form's submitted through to the spreadsheet. Now you can edit your response. So if you want to save that link, because you can always go back to it at any stage and you can update whether or not you've done that shout out. So the last couple things about the form that I just want to say is that there's an example shout out there, and also like the one you saw at the start of this video. You can contact me if you have any questions, and this system's also built on everyone doing the right thing. So if you find that someone's not, let me know and I can jump in and do what I need to do to either remove that person's channel from the list or whatever we need to do. Currently, you don't need to sign into Google to actually submit a form. Hopefully, we don't need to change that in the future if people do the right thing. So all we need to do now is check out the list of the channels by clicking on this spreadsheet link. It directs you to the spreadsheet that has all the channels in there. As you can see, we've got 4 channels that I've already posted in there. If they've done shout outs or not, now, I'm hoping that over time, people will come back and actually do those shout outs once we start to get more and more people involved. And you've got the information there to know what channels that you can shout out. A good way to think of it is that if you have a channel that's about makeup and fashion, someone else could benefit by sharing that shout out that has similar categories. So you can check out the form that has all the information in there and a bit more of a breakdown about what this program is. This isn't affiliated with YouTube. There's not really a big management of this system at the moment. It's more just to try and help people out, and that's what I believe Elemental Core 100 was trying to do with his original post on Reddit. So I'm hoping that more and more people can join this, and if a few people give shout outs to each other, hopefully it helps someone. So if you have any other questions about this system, you can place them in the comments below. I'll try and answer those questions and even update the forms as we go forward. So I'm going to leave a link for Elemental Core 100's channel, Josephine's channel, so make sure you go check both of those channels out. Make sure you subscribe to mine so you can keep up to date with the future videos. Let me know what you think of this idea. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.